Introducing the new Pall laboratory manifold. Transform your microbiology testing with Pall. The Pall laboratory manifold starts with a 3-place base, an end cap, and a hose barb cap. Conveniently, the caps can be placed on either side of the manifold. Attach the hose barb and end cap with the slip-fit connection. When size matters, modularize the base by using the coupling device to combine 2 bases, making a convenient 6-place manifold. Attach the 2 manifolds with a slip-fit connection. The valve assembly has been designed with you in mind. By front-loading and locking in place, visual confirmation of correct assembly is easy and the potential for cross-contamination is greatly reduced. The valve assembly is interchangeable, so you can have as many valves available as you need. There are multiple adapters which you can choose from to best fit your workflow. Standard adapter, elongated adapter, Centino filter funnel adapter, microfunnel microcheck filter funnel adapter. Each adapter slip fits onto the base. They are also interchangeable so you can adapt your tests to your workflows. Connect your tubing to the hose barb and the vacuum trap. Start your testing and end by plating your membrane. Disassembly is just as easy as assembly. The manifold separates into large components for autoclaving and ready for your next test run. When size matters, the new Pall laboratory manifold adapts to you.